Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all ready to go. We've still got 38 hours to the ferry, 38 Google Maps hours, so we've got a lot of riding to do. I've got a town, I think it's called Dili, which is about 8 hours from here. I've got that in Google Maps, but whether we'll make it there or not, I'm not 100% sure. My butt's still a bit soft after all that time off Christmas. Yesterday just about killed me. Not physically, but my butt hurt. My butt hurt a lot. So we'll see how far we can get today, but we do have a long ride to get to the ferry to Java. Well, Google Maps is taking us another way than we came in, which I'm glad of. I was a bit worried that it was one road in and one road out, so I'd have to go backwards. But it looks like we're going to be doing kind of like a V. Yeehaw! Oh guys, it's warm already. Looks like we might get some rain later though, but it's warm in this jacket. And another busy morning at the markets. This is a different one than we went through the other day. We haven't been here before. Sorry while I close the visor because I'm going to start speeding up a bit. Yeah, everything, I just kind of got used to India where nothing happens before 10 o'clock. But here everyone's up at 6, 7 doing stuff. And hopefully as we get a bit further east, we'll have less traffic, but that's unlikely. I think it's going to be like this all the way to Lombok pretty much. Well guys, I got my wish. As soon as I got out of that little village, it's nice, clear, no traffic, really nice road. So I should be able to get some miles up today. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit thirsty already, so pretty soon I'll be looking for an Indomart with a seat. Well guys, I just had a drink stop. Only done really about half an hour's Google Maps, so but I'm just going to take it easy guys. I've got so many miles to do in the next couple of months that I'm not going to push it. I'm just going to take it easy, enjoy myself. I seem to get more hours up when I do that, more miles up. And just up ahead of us, it's the Sumatra that you imagine when you think of Sumatra. I don't know if the GoPro's picking it up, but it's all rolling hills up here, jungle. Yeehaw, we should be there in the next half an hour or so. What a beautiful ride this is guys. We're in the highlands now. Just unfortunately the traffic's slowing things down and the road's not the best, but what an amazing day.
You don't smoke?
No. 20 years, no cigarettes.
Okay.
Yeah. Well guys, I just stopped for a drink.
But this is our habit.
Yeah. I just stopped for a drink, met these guys. This young bloke's driving the CRF 150 there, beautiful little bike. Seems to be very popular here. And we're just having a chat, and then I'll get some more miles up. Well, that was a nice little drink stop. Friendly couple of young guys. Oh, I'm enjoying today, really enjoying today. Well guys, look at this. Just so depressing. It's this beautiful jungle just all chopped down, all gone, like scarred the whole landscape. I never turn around guys, but I just saw just here sumai, like they used to have in Philippines, and it just suddenly made me hungry, so I'm going to go and have that. 10 cents for sumai. Not as good as Philippine sumai, but it's a bit hard for these guys because they don't eat pork, and that's the main part of sumai is pork, but it was still yummy. Like 10 cents each. I got 10 for $1. Hell, no mate, no. People begging like beggars. Terima kasih, my friends. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. And assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh, that was such a lovely shady spot, guys. It was hard to leave, but let's get up the road. Holy, I've done maybe 4 hours today, real time, maybe 3 at Google Maps, or 3.5 Google Maps. This is where I'm staying, guys. The Hotel Suzuyu Plaza. There's a shopping centre in there. There's a cinema. There's a kids' play sort of thing. I don't know what it is. I haven't been in there, but it's just called Play World or something. It's a little bit noisy, but it's okay in the room. There's about 23, 24 US a night. But guys, I was wrecked. I really was. I got here at 3 o'clock and I've been riding since 8, so that was a long, long day, guys. I got about 6.5 Google Maps hours done though, so we're getting closer to Java. Still about 30 something to go still though, but we're cutting it down each day a bit by bit. And there's a couple of little restaurants here. Let's see what we can eat. Yeah, we're all ready to go, guys. I'm going to do about 3.5, 4 hours today. Yesterday was just about killed me. So the Suzuyu Hotel in Pekanbaru. If you can avoid staying here, guys, do it. The breakfast this morning was a pot full of fish heads, and I thought maybe that's a local delicacy, but even the locals weren't eating it. And when I was leaving, which was about an hour after I had my breakfast, pot was still full. Nobody had touched it. Just terrible. And I'm getting filmed here by these guys. Hello. Well, guys, this is Pekanbaru, as I've said. Nowhere near as friendly as other towns. And I just rode through the market then, and it was really smelly. Usually the markets smell nice, but you know, that one was really smelly. Anyway, guys, we'll be out of here in a couple of minutes. Find a servo and check my fuel, but I think I've got plenty. Then we'll head for Duri. Duri's the plan for today. It's about 3.5 Google Maps hours. That's enough for today, guys. I did 6.5 yesterday. By the end of the day I was wrecked. As long as we're making a little bit each day, we will get to Timor Leste. Oh, I just stopped for fuel. I don't have Petromax. Now Petromax is 92, so the Petrolite must be in the 80s somewhere, so I'm not putting that rubbish in my bike. But there will be other fuel up the road here somewhere. We've got plenty. Oh, well, guys, I've only done like just under 3 hours today, but I've had enough. And I saw this place, really nice, about $18 US, including breakfast. So yeah, I'm going to stop, have a lazy afternoon, get some more miles up tomorrow. I know Janet will be happy because she worries about me doing big days like yesterday. And another day, Pekanbaru. This is where we stayed at the Bit Hotel. I'm not sure the name of this town, but it's in between Pekanbaru and Pekanbaru. Amazing food, guys, really comfy. It's English channels on the TV. But anyway, I'm going to get some miles up. 4 hours today, 4 Google Maps hours. Well, guys, this is Pekanbaru. Not sure, I haven't booked a hotel here. I've put a hotel that looked good into Google Maps. That's where I'm heading. Not sure if I'll stay a day or two nights and have a look around. I'm not sure. I'll decide later on, but for now I'll just book one night. We'll see what the hotel's like first, but there's heaps of hotels here. Seems to be quite a popular place. That's why I'm thinking of staying 2 nights. Have a bit of a look around. Well, so far this seems to be the most modern city I've been to in Sumatra. Roads are amazing. Now, I just went past what looked like a museum, Metantawi, and I actually met a guy online through Facebook when I was going to come here in 22, and I think he's part of that, but I'll message him today and we'll find out. Must have a pipe broken or something. I don't want to go down here, that's for sure. Easy. Guys, I'm at the Monologue Hotel in Pekanbaru. Just eating my breakfast. Really, really good. This is kind of in the main hotel. There's hotels all around here, but this place is pretty good. About maybe 18 US. Great breakfast. Delicious. Really, really good. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.